Folks, this is Jacob with Good Friend Adaptation, and in our Jewish Filipino household, we love to get boba. But the problem with boba is that there's always so much plastic, single-use plastic waste. So try to play around with the model and see if we can make a reusable solution. And we also know that boba drinkers like to pop the top of the boba for the straw. So here's the CAD model that we created in SolidWorks. And we 3D printed a prototype to test the functionality. Here it is right here. Just by replacing the lid of a mason jar with this new lid inside of here. So to test this invention, we went to our favorite boba place, Boba Junkie, just down the road here, and ordered their amazing house coffee in the mason jar. Just had it fill up in the mason jar. We just screwed the lid on, and here I can take the straw and pop it at either angle. Or from the top. So it would be really nice to get this out of prototype stage and be able to produce this and manufacture it out of metal. It would be really, really nice to just kind of cast this, and then we could also create the straw out of metal as well. And so that would be a fully reusable option you could bring with your mason jars. These mason jars are just common, as well as, so it would be nice to get this to manufacturers. Any manufacturers interested in this, or even boba drinkers out there, this is a call to action. Would anyone be interested in replacing their mason jar cap and using a mason jar to drink boba? Let me know what you think. Tell me in the comments. Thank you and have a wonderful day.